guys, welcome back to Random Tech YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm going to teach you and I'm going to show you what is create room on Facebook Messenger. So guys, this is the latest update of the Messenger, Facebook Messenger, that you can create a room on Messenger and you can call up to more than 40 to 50 people at a time. Example, like you can call for a business meeting, for an institution telecast, or anything. You can call for with your friends, or anything you can do. You can video call up to 50 people at a time. So guys, to get these features on your Facebook Messenger, what you have to do is, first of all what you have to do is, I will take you to my phone screen and I will show you what you have to do here. So let's go to my phone screen, and before starting the video, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon, guys, so that I will be motivated and then I will bring up more informative videos every day. So guys, let's go to my phone screen. So guys, to get these features, create room features, what you have to do is you have to go to your Google Play Store first. Okay, so after going to Google Play Store, here you have to search for Messenger, and then after getting the Messenger, what you have to do is you have to update your Messenger. If your Messenger is asking for an update, you have to update your Messenger. So after updating your Messenger, what you have to do here is you have to go back. After going back, you have to go to your phone settings. Okay, so let me go to my phone settings, and then you have to go to app management. You can see here, so just go to app management, and then after going to app management, you have to go to manage apps. You will find install apps or anything. So now after updating your Messenger, you have to go to settings, and after going to settings, you have to go to apps management or install apps, and then after that, search here for your Messenger. So let me just search, where is my Messenger here? I can't find my Messenger. Okay, here it is. So after finding the Messenger, you can see here this clear data option. So you have to click on this clear data option, and then you have to clear all the data here. So after clearing all the data, what you have to do is, you can see here app permission button. You can see here, so just click on the app permission button, and then guys, what you have to do is you have to allow all the permission, as I have already allowed it the permission. Now what you have to do is you have to go to your Messenger. Let me just go to my Messenger. Where is my Messenger? Alright. Oh, here it is. So let's go to my Messenger, and after going to my Messenger, you can see here a people option. You can see here, this is the people option here. So guys, you have to click here on the people option, and then you will find an option here, create room option. You can see here, I will just focus it. You can see here. So you have to click on this create room option, and then you can see here, this is my page, and then to get this features, to get this to make someone join on your conference call, then you have to click on this share link option, and then you have to copy the link, and you have to share the link through Messenger, Instagram, or anywhere through WhatsApp. So guys, it's something cool. It's very cool. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed this video, and then you can just turn off the camera here, and also here you can see you can mute the video, and also you can just share the link. You can edit the page, who can join. So you can see here, you can join, like who can join. So people with links, only people on Facebook. So guys, there are many features. This is something cool, amazing features that has been updated by Messenger. So guys, one like to bantai, one subscribe. So please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Bye bye, see you soon.